All right, everybody, here we are, another crypto market update coming live from the Consensus conference floor. You guys know me, I'm Bryce. I'm gonna take you guys inside. This is a special behind the scenes look. I don't even know if we're allowed to do this, but I wanna just bring in a quick little film crew here. This is why you're with us, guys. We get behind the scenes looks every single day, and we're here incredibly excited. We've been interviewing, I did 22 interviews with some of the hottest, smartest people in the space, folks who founded MakerDAO, folks who founded Stacks Network, some of the folks who founded Fetch AI and the artificial superintelligence. This has been the most incredible conference that I've ever been to. And not only has it just been incredibly fun, like look at all these crazy people. Not only has it just been incredibly fun and vivacious and a ton of energy, the people, it's become very institutional. We've seen discussions about real world assets bringing trillions of dollars, trillions, on chain, and what that world looks like. I've spoken to folks who have partnered with BlackRock on that BUIDL fund. There was folks from Centrifuge, which is the preeminent real world asset chain. Guys, I couldn't be more excited, and that's why I'm so excited about having you guys follow along on the journey. We do crypto market updates. We've got live streams, podcasts, written newsletters, and this is just the behind the scenes look. I was sitting at a dinner the other night with a billion-dollar hedge fund manager, hearing his strategies, hearing his insights, talking shop. We ended up chatting about, at the end of the night, chatting about family and chatting about values and how to be successful, not only just in crypto, but in life. And that's the kind of, just incredible, intangible kind of stuff that you get when you get access to this. To me, this market is thriving. Everybody who I've talked to is saying that this could be a $10 trillion market cap asset by October of next year. So within the next 12 to 18 months, again, we're in that post-halving sweet spot. People are thinking that this is going to be the biggest cycle yet, and it's not just one or two people; it's really everybody. And the other thing that's interesting actually about right now is the conversations that we're having aren't like in the past bull market, like in 2017 or even in 2021, where everybody was talking about price. What's the price? Checking price, good price, all that kind of stuff. Right now, because we're in a little bit of a post-halving, contraction in the market, people are really focused on building. Okay, there is an incredible amount of building that's occurring, and it's just a lot of fun to see. So we're going to be cruising around the conference floor. We want to bring you with us. And by the way, guys, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you check out our YouTube. Make sure you check out the Crypto 101 podcast. Subscribe to our newsletter. We've got a bunch of incredible stuff. You can hit the button below, hit that link, and you'll be able to find out everything that you need to know. But let's take a cruise, and we'll show you what we're seeing.
Y'all were the reason I kind of got into it. I was listening to Crypto 101. I remember driving to see my wife, and y'all were like pickaxe guys. Pickaxe during the gold mine. I'm like, they're onto something.
Yeah.
And been following y'all ever since.
Wow. That's incredible. And are you working in the industry now?
Yeah, so when I started, I was literally just a fanboy of the space. I was a teacher and a coach, and I would listen to your guys' podcast 1 hour to work and 1 hour back.
Wow.
I traded in sports radio for knowledge about this space.
Wow.
Because I had an opportunity to learn about it. And back in 2010, I heard about it for the very first time and didn't understand it. So 4 years later, I was like, holy crap, things up over $100. I should probably pay attention to this.
Yeah.
And you guys, believe it or not, I started listening to y'all the last time I was in Austin.
Oh, wow.
It was like 2018, I think. And just listening to like all the lingo. I didn't know what like to the moon meant. I didn't know any of these
That's what we're here for.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, you've been a really big influence, just
wow.
being able to kind of listen to you for quite literally thousands of hours over the last 6-7 years. Appreciate it.
Dude, incredible. I'm really glad that you stopped me. That's why we do what we do, right? I mean, we put our whole life, our whole soul into it. Folks like you who have really been a part of my family and stuff, like you've enabled me to be able to travel the world and report back and get all this knowledge and stuff. And we've got a great team. We've got guys like TiVo behind the camera working hard, our CEO Kevin, obviously all the guys that work behind the scenes that allow me to be stress-free so that I could go and hone in on what are the best projects. Who are the smartest people? What are the right questions to be asking?
Right.
What does the community need to know? I don't need to worry about all the nitty-gritty in the day-to-day. And it's what I love to do. And it's really an honor, and it means a lot that somebody recognizes that and that there's real people on the other end.
Well, y'all helped me literally make a career change. A couple of years ago, I stopped being a teacher, a coach, an educator, and I was like, I want to align myself with blockchain in whatever capacity that I can. So now I have fun going to conferences like this.
Yeah.
Helping people kind of engage their communities, because our space, which you helped me do, needs an education outside of SBF, monkey pictures. And
Yes,
novels.
absolutely.
So-
Appreciate it, man.
100%.
Hey, God bless you, dude.